Hazard Screen: How to easily test your water sample. Before heading out into the field, prepare some cuvettes with 2 ml of Baxter water and 20 microliters of DNA test dye. When you are out in the field, collect a sample of water. Before you measure toxicity, check your sample for turbidity. If you can see that it is not a clear-looking sample, you will need to filter before testing. You can do this by taking a sample into a sterile 3 ml syringe and passing the sample through a 0.45 microliter filter disc into the provided sterile 15 ml tube. Both the disc and the tube are provided with your kit. Add 1 ml of water to be tested to your prepared cuvette. Recap it and then mix 10 times. Check for bubbles. Tap the cuvette gently to settle any bubbles. Insert the cuvette into the reader with the number facing forward. Close the lid. Press F3 every 10 seconds 4 to 5 times and record the values. Return the sample to its correct position in the box for retesting in the laboratory if necessary. You are now ready to assess the toxicity of your sample. Use the chart provided to gauge toxicity. If your sample returns a value of 1000 to 750 units, then it is not toxic. 750 to 500 units means that there is a level of toxicity in the water, but it is still usable. If your sample is returning a value of 500 to 250 units, you have a problem with your water and you may wish to have a full test done. Any result 250 units and under is potentially dangerous, and it is strongly recommended for you to have the water tested by a laboratory of your choice or with our laboratory. Please consult our website for details on using our laboratory. It is also recommended practice to do a second test for any result in the region of 750 units or lower with the HazardScreen kit before committing to a lab test. As you have seen, HazardScreen is a screening system for your water samples, helping you identify which water sources are safe and which need laboratory testing. The test is easy for non-technical people, simple and lightweight, a time, money and energy saver. Please use the contact details on this webpage to get in touch with us today about how you can start easily testing your own water samples.